So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a new Avanti cartridge in this price twister valve. The old one, the handle had snapped off, so part of the cartridge let loose with it. The handle's been replaced by the homeowner, but so that's brand new, but the cartridge is new. So we've tested out, everything looks good. Additionally, we replaced the one in the master bath. We're not going to walk down the hall and show it to you. It's identical. It's a sunken, like a Roman shower area, which means so it's sunk down about, I don't know, 12, 16, 18 inches, and it's all tiled in. So it's more like it's a shower, so but it's a sunken shower, so it's got a dam out here and then it jumps in. Anyways, so same kind of thing here. Price twister valve, the Avanti, and new cartridge in there, both working great. Water's back on. We've siliconed the back one there. The valve was sticking out real far, so you put a lot of silicone behind the stop tube, which is back in here. Behind the stop tube, and then shove the tube into the silicone so it should dry and seal it, but we never took off the cover plate. This one, the cover plate came off, so we did run some beads all the way around these three angles, here, 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 there, and back down and around, just to seal the shower wall. So everything's looking good, installation done. Outside of this, we are finished.